So tired. Adam! Ano yung mukha niya?
Sige, asarin mo na.
Oy! 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 Luos.
Sige, asarin mo.
Oy! Away lula yan ah! Oy!
Asarin mo.
Awa kay lula, bebe?
Nakatingin dito.
Oy! Istas ko ba sa bata, oy! Uy! 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 Di na. Uy! Awawa bata!
I love you. I love you. Laki yung mata mo dyan. Hello, naknak. Naknak. Salita ko ha. Ano ba yun? Feeling beautiful. Naknak. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Road trip. Broom broom. Adam, I love you. Adam, I love you. Pangit naman ito kuna na. Woo! What are you doing, bebe? What are you doing, bebe? Hello? Hello? What are you doing, bebe? Tama ka. Asas ko po. Wala na, okay na.
Ulago.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Ah.
Hi.
Okay na?
Hello, Adam. 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 La, la, la. Adam. Why are you looking at the camera, Adam? Adam, I love you. I love you. I love you.
Me, 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 me.
La 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 la.
One,
Two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Yay! Okay. Bye-bye po. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Bye. Bye-bye. Hello. Gusto na tumayo. Ala. Gusto na tumayo. Ala. Come na. One, two. One, two. Hello, Adam.
Mo ni Adam? Kamusta sleep ni Adam? Kamusta sleep ni baby Adam? Okay lang si Adam? Ano ikaw, be? Ano ang baby Adam na yan? Pugi-pugi Adam mo.
Ay, tumawa.
Pugi-pugi si Adam. Pugi-pugi. Pugi-pugi ay ikaw, be? Ano handa natin, be? Ano handa natin, be? Be?
Damn it. Oh. Alam, here's your
Poppers mo, be?
here's your favorite.
Malaki yung poppers na kasi.
Adam, here's your favorite. Yay!
What's that?
Sabi,
Bakit? Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na? Ano ulam ni Adam? Wala ka ulam? Wala ulam ang Adam? Ayan. Oh, ang dami mo na sinasabi. Ano? Ano gusto ni Adam? Oh. Galing naman makapag-usap ng baby ko. Ano ulam ni Adam kanina? What's your ulam? Adam? Oh, ba't ganyan yung ulam mo? Ba't ganyan na? Si Mama. 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 Say Mama. Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na? Ano ulam ni Adam? Wala ka ulam? Wala ulam ang Adam? Ayan. Oh, ang dami mo na sinasabi. Ano? Ano gusto ni Adam? Oh. Ang galing naman nakapag-usap ng baby ko. Ano ulam ni Adam kanina? What's your ulam? Adam? Oh, ba't ganyan yung ulam mo? Ba't ganyan na? Si Mama. 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 Say Mama. Are you okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Happy? Happy? Laway mo. 1, 2. Hoy. 1. Nagawa mo, nak? Adam? What you doing? What you doing? No. What you doing? Sirena ka, Baliena. Ano ka? Ano ka dyan? Taob-taob ka. Hindi mo kayang tumihaya. Oh, ano? Ano ka? No. Yung laway. Yung laway, ew. Oh. Uy. Bakit? Dam. Ano na? Ano na? Sa ilong mo. Nagawa mo kasi. Ano ba yan? Ang likot mo. Saan ka na nakakarating? Ano ba yan, nak? Tired na? Tired? Tired na you? Ano? Ano? Nagawa mo? Nagawa mo? Saan ka punta?
I love him just because he listens to my problems. He knows just what to do.
My life with lots of joy. You're my favorite. Girls and boys.
Really?
It's true. I love you.
Our daddy is the best there ever was. Our daddy is the best, and we love him just because he always takes good care of us. He's kind as he can be. He's the greatest daddy that we have ever seen. He's the greatest daddy that we have ever seen. Okay, everyone, let's learn the notes that we used to sing. These are the notes that we can bring together to make a song to sing. When you put them together, they make a song.
Chula.
Let's all jump and sing along. Go,
Ano?
Ray, mi, fa, sol, la, ti.
Madam? Hello! Ay! Ay! Sabi patawanin mo. Madam?
Physically attracted po ako sa kanya. Pero nung
All the languages of love that you have, ibibigay mo sa'yo. Pag nakita ko yung, ay, ang ganda nitong tao. Nakakatagpo ka rin ang tao sa'yo. Oo. Tapos maliwas, ay, hilog na wala tayong issues.
Madam? Nak? Yung balloons mo. Good job! Good job! Chick!
Me gustaría estar contigo cada momento en mi vida junto a ti. Me gustaría besar tus labios todos los días, mi dulce amor.
Hala. Dam! Dam, dam, dam. Taiwan. Parang ka ay, dam! Dam, dam. Dam, dam.
I need a lover to keep me safe. Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give you my all when I don't even have it.
I always dreamed of a solemn place, someone who feels like a holiday. Now I'm in pieces, barely believe it. Starting to think that I've lost all feelings.
You came out of the blue on a rainy night. Oh, light, I'll tell you how I almost died. Why you bring me back to life?
I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better.
Started giving up on his words forever, until you gave up heaven so we could be together.
Oh, my angel, angel, baby, angel.
You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby.
I fall in love with the little things, counting the tattoos on your skin.
Tell me a secret, baby, I'll keep it, and maybe we could play house for the weekend.
You came out of the blue on a rainy night. Don't lie, tell you how I almost died. While you bring me back to life.
I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better.
Started giving up on this world forever, until you gave up heaven so we could be together.
You're my angel, angel, baby, angel.
You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. All the sick and twisted nights that I've been waiting for you.
They were worth it all.
I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on this world forever, until you gave up heaven so we could be together.
You're my angel, angel, baby, angel, angel, baby, angel, baby, you're my angel, angels, baby, angel, angel, baby, angel,
Kain mo na yan.
Ah. Sakit. Poor gatas. Mr. Gatas. Hey, Adam, Mr. Gatas, yung favorite mo. Hi, Mr. Gatas. I am Mr.
May nag-crack. Crack ipit. Maubos na nun. Nangyari sa mukha mo. Nangyari sa mukha mo. Hi.
Wait.
Like, katulad siya, decision, pencil, katulad ng nangyari kay ate. Nagkala niya sa amin, ha? No? Hindi. Kailangan lang pag-aaral ninyo ng mga anak, ha? Ikaw ba, ate? Gusto mo ba mag-anak? Okay? Okay. Ngayon, ang dami-dami yung bit na.
Ano yung itlog-itlog na yan?
Ano na lang yung anak, 250 pesos yung inyong napagbentahan. Pila ang kilo ng saging. Pag binili dito ng